This is Simple Machines Lesson 7, Pulleys. In this lesson, students are going to be setting up two different kinds of pulleys, one using a single pulley and the one using a double pulley system, which uses a double-sided pulley and the single-sided pulley both. Students will also need their box of washers with 5 washers in it, the rubber band and the S-hook, and the spring balance, as well as some string and their Simple Machine stands. So the first kind of pulley they're going to set up, they're just going to take the string and tie it to the peg at the top of the Simple Machine stand. Once that string is tied, they're going to take the other end of the string, loop it through the single pulley, hang their box of washers off of one end of the pulley, and then finally tie the last end of the string to the bottom of their spring balance. Before students test pulling up the boxes with the pulley, they should try to pull it up just with the spring balance on its own so they can get a controlled variable for the experiment. Once that's tied in place, they'll need to balance the string on the pulley like so. Place the box on the bottom like that. Once everything's together, students should pull up with the spring balance to lift the box using the pulley. It's going to be easiest if these Simple Machine stands are near the edge of a table or near some sort of, or on something taller so that students have enough space to work. The next kind of lever students are going to be setting up is a double pulley. So they're going to be using both the single pulley and the double pulley. So the first thing students are going to want to do is take about an 80 centimeter piece of string. And that'll be longer than this one, but that's because their Simple Machine stands will be supported on something taller. Students are going to need to take the string, put a loop in one end, and fasten that to a hook of a single pulley, like so. You should then take this single pulley and fasten it to the top of the Simple Machine stand, like so. Students then take the string and loop it through one wheel of the double pulley. Take the string and loop it back up around the wheel of the single pulley. And finally, take it back down again through the remaining wheel of the double pulley. Finally, once the string is secured around all 3 wheels, students will take this remaining end and fasten it to the hook on the bottom of the spring scale. Simple knot, like so. And finally, once this is attached to the spring scale, students will take their box and attach that to one hook of the double pulley, like so. When it's all said and done, students should notice that this double pulley system is a lot easier to lift than the single pulley system, and they can take those notes and the observations in their student workbooks. That concludes Lesson 7.